welcome back to my channel Skin Charm Studio. In my last video I made a DIY lip balm and it is working beautifully, so I thought why not make a DIY soap. So today I'm going to make an anti-tanning soap. So let me show you the ingredients for that. So for the base I'm going to use the shea butter soap base, and to bring in the anti-tanning properties I'm going to use Kasturi haldi, a little coffee powder, gram flour or besan, rice powder, rose water, vitamin E oil, a little coconut oil, and to bring in the fragrance I'm using rose oil. Now let's start the process of making DIY soap. So this is what my soap looks like. Do try this at home and let me know if it worked for you. Until we meet again, it's bye from me.
Damn.